Java is all around us and it is omnipresent. In every electronic smart device what you find around you, you have Java in it. We can't assume this digital world without Java. Yes, it has got that great impact and its influence on the human being. On this 23rd May 2020, Java has celebrated Silver Jubilee. Yes, it has completed 25 successful years. Right from its birth, it's always on the top. From the past 25 years, it's been in top 3 programming languages. I think this is the only programming language which was in top 3 from past 25 years. You may have doubt, is it worth learning Java in 2020? Mark my words, not 2020, even 2050, Java will have great impact on the world. Yes, the Java is tightly coupled with many latest technologies. On Java, many technologies were built, so we can expect Java forever. And even it is not stagnated, the Oracle Corporation is keep trying to enhance its features and trying to compete with any other new programming languages and providing all the features expected by the industry. So we can expect it for a long time. Java is an object-oriented programming language and evolved with some philosophy saying that write once, run anywhere. Java is very straight and lucrative programming languages. Everybody can learn it easily. Java was initially started at Sun Microsystems in the year 1990 with the name Stealth Project and also called as Green Project. And again after a year, in June 1991, this was named to Oak. Finally on 23rd May 1995, Oak was renamed to Java and released in the market. From past 25 years, Java has come in different versions from 1.0 to 14. The current version is Java 14, which was released in 17th March 2020.
Java was developed by a team of people headed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. So we can say James Gosling is the father of Java. If you look at the version history of Java, it was initially developed as beta version in the year 1995, but at that time it was highly unstable and it did not perform well. And again in the year 1996, they have released Java 1 version. It is the first stable release of Java. J2SE 5.0 was released on 30th September 2004. This version is more stable product and this version is called Tiger version. It has got new features as generics, annotations, autoboxing, unboxing, enumerations, variable number of arguments, especially with related to util package. They have given collections and scanner class related thing. In the year 2010, Sun Microsystems was acquired by Oracle Corporation. So the next version JSC 7 was released by Oracle Corporation. That is on 28th of July 2011. The next version is JSC 8, which was released on 18th March 2014. Here the whole game of Java was changed. It has got many new features, especially language fundamentals. Like functional programming is introduced with lambda expressions, functional interfaces, default methods, and also introduced date and time API. And it was given as long-term support. The next version is JSC 9, which is released on 21st September 2017. Here also a new programming style was introduced with modular programming, private methods in the interface, HTTP2 client and JShell interpreter. In Oracle has promised here they will be releasing a new version for every 6 months. So on 25th September 2018, they have released JSC 11 with HTTP client API, string API changes, and a few other collections related changes also have. And even this JSC 11 has got long-term support. On 17 March 2020, they have released a new version JSC 14. As of now and today, this is the latest version. So there are many versions are available, then which is the right version to use. We can use any of them above 8. And as the Java is the backward compatible, even if you download and install the latest version, you can write any code.
Then why Java is so popular? It has its own features. Apart from these features, this Java can be used for developing many types of applications. Desktop applications we can develop web-based applications, enterprise applications, any business application, mobile applications, and any other new technologies like big data and data science, even they are using Java. As we can develop many types of applications and we also have many jobs available with this, it is always suggested for a student to learn Java.